Hey everybody, it's Taz here for Wig Studio One. Today I'm going to show you 3 short curly styles for you to look at and compare coming up. All of the wigs featured in today's video are available at Wig Studio One. Go below the video, expand the description box. You'll find a link to each one of the featured styles here today. If you have any question for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com by email or from any product page on the site. Scroll down, hit the help button to be connected with the live chat. So it seems like all brands have some version of this short to mid-length curly style cut. This is January by Jon Renau in the color 12 FS12. Now Jon Renau has also recently expanded some of their favorites into some new options. So you'll also find January now in petite size. This is in the average size. Short, curly, choppy, lots of volume in January. January features a lace front and a full single monofilament top, lots of permatease and volume on January. The front piece is right around 8.5 inches, but you know, it's curly, so it really doesn't fall into the face or eyes. Overall, we're probably looking about 10-11 inches overall for January. I love this beautiful choppy curl. That's the hallmark of the style. So I'm going to show you 2 other styles from other brands, and then we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. So here is another popular short, curly, voluminous style. This one is by Gabor. It's called Sweet Talk. This one's in the color GL18-23, which is Toasted Pecan. Sweet Talk is one of my favorite all-time styles. With all this choppy wave and volume. It features a lace front and a left monofilament side part. It has a lot of permatease and volume. Beautiful ash brown with platinum highlighting. Nice movement. Sweet Talk's about 7 inches at the front, and then overall between 9 and 10 inches. So just a tad shorter than the Jon Renau January. I think they could easily be used as sister styles. Okay, let's take a look at our third short curly style for the day. So this short little curly bob style cut is by Ellen Wille. It was just released fall of 2020. This one is called Dance in the color Candy Blonde Tipped. Dance features a lot of choppy, separated wave. The waves on this are just a little more choppy and shattered than on the other 2 that we just witnessed. It has about a 7-inch front piece, just like Gabor's Sweet Talk, just a tad shorter than the January. Overall, right around 9 inches. So this one seems to be yet just a tad shorter in the back than the other 2 that I showed. It has a lace front and a left monofilament side part. This one has a really light density and lower permatease. So let's recap for the day. The Jon Renau's January is a short curly bob style, and it has the best cap features of all 3 of these, featuring the full lace front and single full monofilament top. The Gabor Sweet Talk short curly bob style has the most volume of all 3, the most permatease and volume. And then lastly, Ellen Wille's Dance. This one has the lowest density and the lowest amount of permatease and volume of all 3 of those mentioned today. So thanks for joining us today. I'm going to go ahead and put up a side-by-side comparison of all 3 of these short curly bobs that I'm showing you today. We'll see you next time on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.